seven. I'm gripping in my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Shit Rock 254, man. Tune in for another one. We bike. As you can see, I was just WD-40ing and priming all the holes, and you know what I'm saying, running the screws down off in there, or the bolts down off in there like they need to be. So you know, make sure we Gucci. But one thing that need to happen before we do all that, you know what I'm saying, we need to go ahead and install this bad boy right here. Now, there is a certain tool or whatever that you use to line that shit up. However, I've seen people do it other type of ways, and you know I'm all about that dollar, y'all. The biggest thing being the oil pan. As long as this is not tightened up all the way, then we have some flexibility to move this. After we put our harmonic balancer back on, that's kind of chipped up and looking crazy. But basically, what I'm gonna do, like I saw the one doing a video, we'll heat this thing up right here using self-lighting torch kit. Grab this from my local old stove. Grab this out the local trap. You know what I'm saying? Self-lighting torch kit, a mag torch, adjustable flame control. It even works inverted. Ooh, works inverted. So if I need to just either have it standing up, and I hold the thing, and I heat it up, and then I put it on there, or if I had that on the ground, and I just heat it up like that, then we'll go from there. I don't know that I have like some like thermalash gloves. So what I plan to do is I guess use an oven mitt. All we gotta do is just slide it back in there. The heat will make it to where it will just slide on with ease, in theory. And then from there, boom, we're good as far as the front timing cover is concerned. So let's get into this video. Some of this may or may not be recorded for safety purposes. So we got the little self-lighting torch kits. Bad blown up. Alright, so as you can see right here, you got your little control. This is the flick of the wrist. You know what I mean? Light your little flame or whatever. This right here, you know what I'm saying, screws onto your bottle. So make sure you read all the directions and all that good stuff. So make sure they ain't leaking, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Please be very careful with this. I'm not even supposed to have this. If Miss LS see this video, she's gonna shit a brick or kill me. So if y'all don't see me after this video, y'all know what the fuck happened. So either the propane got me or she did. So next step, let's go. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LS Shit Rock 254. You tune in for another one. Yes. you see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt, see the shirt. LSJ Rock 254, identify your weaknesses, make it strength. This is their inspired. You can get this shirt along with so many others right here in the store. Link is in the description box below. I'll put it right here at the bottom of the screen. And I'll even show you right here. As you go onto the website, you can see all the different shirts that we offer. Let me scoot over and make some room. So as you can see right here, everything that we have to offer, new designs are going to be uploaded. I don't want to lie to you. I don't want to say weekly. You know what I'm saying? I try to go weekly. Could be bi-weekly, man. I'm really gonna get more on this so that I can get these shirts sold, man, and get the revenue rolling in so we can build this Chevy. It's lit. It's lit. So definitely thank you guys for your support, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe on the channel, watch the videos, watch the commercials or the advertisements, you know, YouTube put out there. That helps greatly. And these are just some of the ways that you can support. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know, I'm out there hustling and grinding, doing what I gotta do as well. But know what I'm saying, this is just an additional way that we can get more money into the channel so that we can get these bills on the road, man, and make them a little bit more epic, so to speak. So I appreciate all your support, guys. It's your boy LSJ Rock 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone. All right, step 3. Whatever step we on. Got it all put together. So let's get go ahead and prepare. Go ahead and slide this bad boy on. Like I said, the last thing that we gotta do, just make sure that we got something to, you know, pick it up and put it on the engine block. Like I said, it should be pretty straightforward. So, once again, disclaimer to kids: do not try this shit at home. Your parents will beat your beep if you burn down a beep. Well, not beat the house. I don't know. Let me go get this glove. All right. So let me show you what we got, and this is the plan. So the plan is, after step 1, we heat this bitch up. Step 2, get it nice and hot. Step 2. Step 1 is fucking, I guess step 1 was put this together. Step 2, heat the bitch up like this. Get it all hot and shit. Step 3 is quickly take this motherfucker from point A to point B without burning the fuck out of ourselves. This is the part that won't be recorded. I'll cut you back on. I might not see y'all after this, so I just want to say, click that like button. Alright, so as you can see, the pulley, harmonic balancer, crank pulley, whatever you want to call it, it is now all the way sit flush. I heard the clunk is all the way on there. We are good to go. We are good to go. That thing's still hot though. That thing is still hot. Whew. Yeah, man. So that's pretty much out. Pretty much it. Shout out to Dewan. But Dewan used MAP, which is supposed to have like a faster transfer, heat transfer. whatever. Like I could just kind of let it sit on there so it started smoking, and I could smell like the metal cooking. But it's on there, and that's all that matters. I kind of messed up my paint job because I did have to get like some of the paint off because it wouldn't just slide right on immediately. And then of course we're gonna put a new harmonic balancer bolt in there, but I'm just put that in there for time being. But yeah, let it heat up some, slid right on. Definitely recommend that as a way to not try to drive this shit on with the crank bolt or whatever, man. Just heat it up with some propane or some MAP, and then heat it up like that, and then slide it on. Next video, about the time the next video come around, man, it will have cooled off. Well, not cooled off yet. Well, it will have cooled off. That will have cooled off, as well as our heads should be dry, as well as our oil pan. So we'll go ahead, get them installed, and move forward. So it's your boy LSL Ride 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choices, choose wisely, and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop.